got me. What? I look fantastic. Ew, mermaids. Ouch! I can't see!
Huh? Who dropped this? Strange. Whoops.
Oh, hi.
Hey, wanna join?
Well, thanks. He is so handsome. Mermaid potty? Huh? I'll keep it for the lunch. Huh? Really? Okay, I will come to the party. Ew, pink sucks. She needs my gummy cocktail. Bon appetit. What? Is she a mermaid? Holy craps! What's wrong with this shell? What a...
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hey, I want to invite you to the party.
Oh, wow, thanks. This guy is so cute. Mermaid potty? Huh? I need a mermaid makeover. Huh? That's easy. Let's prepare my cauldron. It will work. I'm gonna make my beauty potion. Pour my magical elixir. And the last ingredient. Good swim, little buddy. Looks precious. You more Greg Rafagitao, you more Greg. Now the finishing part. Mix everything well. Nice. It's working. Oh dear. Wow, I look like a gothic mermaid. Amazing. What? Oh gosh, this mermaid is gorgeous. Do I look like her? No. Oopsie. I need to do something.
Hey, my mermaid's guide will help you.
A thanks thing. Wow, it's a makeover list. I can start with my hairstyle. But how should I begin? Oh, I'll brush it first.
You should use paint first. Give me your hairbrush.
Okay.
You met the best hairstylist, sweetie. Let's make your hair brighter. Try now.
Oh boy. Ew, better to be bald than look like a Barbie doll. On the other hand, holy tarantulas, I look amazing. Okay, let's check. Oh gosh, anything for love. The hair stage is completed. What? Only 3 hours? I need to be faster.
Hey, babe, you need new mermaid makeup like her.
Wow, stunning. I have an idea. Boom, 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 boom. Target found. Sorry, Mommy. I needed more. Where are my stocklings? Wednesday! Good size. Oh no, my makeup is totally wrong.
Don't worry, honey. I'll help you with that.
Thanks, buddy.
Look, I'm a mermaid hat.
Time for crazy makeup. Don't worry, I'll put on stockings the right way. Now, let's turn on my creativity. Use shadows to paint charming patterns on my face. Fascinating, isn't it? Alright, let's see what we have got. Wow, my mermaid scales look so fabulous. I am a Picasso in the makeup world. Let's take care of our eyes. Pinky arrows are trendy in this season.
Hi, girlie. Do I look pretty? Careful, there's only one copy.
These eyelashes will make a more vivid look.
Wednesday, check it out!
Huh?
You did pearl decor!
Wow, these beads are so attractive! Holy Pennywise! Mermaid makeup fits me very much! Huh? Final touch! Don't run away, baby spider! Do you know who else has 8 legs? You more great grapagi tau, you more great grapagi. Yeah, it worked! Hello, Mr. Octopus! I hope you have some ink for me! Don't be mad, honey! It's for my makeover! Cool! It's real ink slime! Let's use it on my lips! Who wants my aerial kiss? Let's look into Mermaid Guide! Makeup is done! Now I need a mermaid tail! I'm running out of time! I need to hurry up!
Wanna relax massage, honey?
Give me that!
No! It's my girlfriend!
Wow! Ouch! Look what I have here!
Don't you play with an angry hand!
Oh, look at this cutie! I think we can make a deal exchange! Wow! The best mermaid tail ever! Huh? Something is missing. Bones are my favorite! Oops, I'm so clumsy! Perfect! Hi, Bone Buddy! Wanna be part of a new stylish tail? Amazing! Oh, 5 minutes!
You need some jewelry, honey!
Yeah, my shiny cherry cake! Wow, I look fantastic! Now I'm ready! The mermaid makeover is finally completed! Hooray! Oh, it's time! It's time to leave! Yeah! Woohoo! Da-da-da-da! Oh, I haven't seen this mermaid before! Hello, girls! Wow, you look so cool! Here is my love! Hi!
Whoa! You wanna be my girlfriend?
I need to think. Yes!
Yeah!
Oh, they're such a sweet couple! Yeah! Oh, it's a savvy! Wow, she's amazing! Hi!
School again. These books are really heavy. Why does this always happen to me? Okay, deep breath. Just walk through. Everything's gonna be fine.
Is it her?
Yeah, like seriously.
Ew, disgusting.
Oh, everybody is staring at me. Alright, I still need to get to my classes. This is so embarrassing.
She's not gonna make it here. Hey, check this out. This is no place for uglies like you.
Ouch! Oof, careful, that hurts. Oh my, what is that?
Hello, world! How do you do, pretties?
Wow, hey, you look amazing.
Yes, I know!
She's so amazing.
Oh,
I just wanted to give you this. I've collected them specially for you.
Gosh, you have no taste at all! Oops, sorry!
Are you okay? Please, let me help you.
Did you see that? She's helping him! Girls, we have a match here! Yeah, we have!
we have indeed.
Why do you always do this? Gosh, you're so
Oh
mean!
boy.
You're all so cruel. Why do you do this to me? This is so unfair. I didn't choose to be like this. So why you all treat me like that?
But crying won't help here.
Oh my goodness. My skin is a total mess.
The mirror never lies.
Wait, what?
Ugh, I cannot stand it anymore.
Oof, even reflection ran away from me. But what is that? Interesting. Let me take a look. How to become a beautiful mermaid. Wow! First, I need to clear my skin. Okay, I think I needed to do it a long time ago. Ouch! No, I have to find another way. Oh, hey! Hey, gorgeous. Can you help me? Please help me get rid of these pimples.
Of course, sweetie, of course! We'll all help you! Just put us on your skin and let us do the job! Almost done!
That's really unusual. Sorry.
Done!
I can't! Wait a minute. My skin! I can't believe it! Let me take a look. Wow, that fast? But Oh my gosh, my hair looks like a disaster. I'll never fix this mess. It's impossible. Oh dear.
Is this one occupied? Oops, sorry. I just wanted to grab some toilet paper. Well, I guess you needed more.
Thank you. Oh, it's really tasty, but ew, what's that weird thing? How's this thing happen to be here? Wait, what's inside? Let me wash it all then. There must be more of it, I'm sure. You're ugly? It's her again. She's so annoying.
Oh, looks like she's got our message. Well done, girls. Let's go. Oh, and I have another idea.
Hey, what's going on there?
Crying
What's
like
up, girls?
a baby. It's that weirdo sitting there crying her eyes
No
out.
way.
We
Did
just
you-
pranked her. Hey, where's he? Where did he go? Shut up. He must have come to her. I bet he did. What's wrong with her?
So what's next? Yeah, that perfect smile. Great. Let's see what we can do here. Gosh, it's scary to even look at it. I do. Huh?
Why me? Why today?
Oh my goodness, what happened to you,
Let's
sweetie?
do the test. I got an F. See? This is unfair.
Oh, poor thing. Please, don't cry. I'm sure we can fix this. So, what can we do here? Let me think. I think it's easy. Let's turn this into A, then add a plus, and circle it. It looks pretty authentic, as if you really got an A+. Take a look.
Really? Wow, it is amazing. Thank you so
You
much.
see? There was nothing to cry about.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
But what's wrong with your teeth? Ew.
What?
I know what can help you here. Come on, my little one. Squeeze and go. Very good. Now open your mouth. Just like that. Nice. And now let's rinse it all. Come on, don't be afraid.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Relax, it's done.
Feels so clean. Wow, awesome!
Now it looks perfect. And you? Do you like it too, guys? Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button below. Thank you. Now I must go. Thanks for your help.
Bye, dear. Thank you too. Amazing. Just a few more touches and it's done. Perfect.
So how is our little ugly doing? Let me take a look. Oh, she's been quite busy here. If she continues this way, we won't recognize her in just a few hours. I guess we need to help her a bit here to help her amazing transformation. This will do it.
Finally. Wow! Ouch!
Oops. Yes, gotcha.
Wait a minute. Who spilled all this? Huh? Pearls? They look so shiny. Oh, I know what to do with this. We'll use everything. Everything will come in handy. One by one, one by one. It's all about patience. So wonderful. Check this out. Isn't it wonderful? I've never had anything like that before. Oh, right. We need to take off the old necklace first. Yeah, now the new one? Cool, isn't it? It looks so fabulous.
I can't believe it. She's really getting out of every situation. Fine, you win this round. But this battle isn't over yet.
Ooh, hello, beautiful. Hello, a date with you? Sure. La 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 la, ooh.
And he was just standing there, watching.
This isn't like him.
Please don't notice me. Please don't look.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Hey, where was it?
I'm sure you two will be just fine.
Oh, you dropped something. Oh, so embarrassing. It must be yours.
Thank you. Oh, such a pretty necklace. Where did you get it?
I've made it myself and... Ouch!
Get your paws off me.
Whoa, so rude.
I didn't know I got my back.
Well. This outfit is so geeky.
I'm sorry. I'm so clumsy. I just... that's my makeup.
Let us help you then.
Oh, yeah?
Sit here and take off these nasty glasses. You don't need them. Don't worry, we'll give them to you back. Now close your eyes. Good. And nice rosy cheeks.
And this. Well, beauty demands scar faces, dear.
Now add some sparkling and pearls.
And don't forget about the lips.
Amazing. You are so beautiful. Come on, take a look in the mirror.
Wow, unbelievable! I've never looked this beautiful ever in my life. Wow! Girls, you're my saviors. I don't even know how to thank you. Take these flowers from all my
Oh,
heart.
thank you.
They are really beautiful.
I think we've done a great job here. Let's go.
That girl is doomed to... Hey! What? Where have you been? Wait a minute. And these flowers? Where did you get them? I see.
See you then.
Bye! This is just unbearable. They have switched to the ugly side. They have betrayed me.
Cool. They finally noticed me and it helped. Wow. But my hair? What about my hair? Oh, come on. Whew. Finally. Oh my gosh. What a mess. It's so itchy. Wait, bugs? I can't believe it. Ah! I should have washed it all before going to school. Why didn't I do it? Quick, the more the better. So gross. We need to get rid of these creepy things as fast as possible. I hope it will really help. I'm ready to try anything right now. And water. Of course, we need to wash it all off. Whew. One thing is done. And what is it in here? I think we can use this too for the waviest hair ever. Attach it very carefully and then wait a bit. I hope the results will be splendid. I've done my best. Wow, I've made it. I've made it. But this outfit, I cannot walk like this anymore. Bye-bye, dear. You were very comfy, but I need to change. I'm sure something is missing here. All right, the crown. Now I'm ready.
Hello, handsome. How about you and me going somewhere?
Maybe next time.
No. Please don't go.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow. It's her. Holy mermaid. How did she do it? Jewelry? Cool outfit? Is it really her? Makeup, hair, dress, and the crown. Wow. And the purse.
Come on, don't be shy.
Sorry.
All right, take a deep breath and...
Marry me,
Get
dear.
off.
Don't bother me.
Just look over there.
Look. Oh, see? It's her.
Really? Wow.
Will you go out with me?
What?
Yeah, sure.
But I can't believe it. It's so you. You did this.
Come on, let's get out of here.
But guys, I just... Oh no. Hey,